Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-app language on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device. And once you have logged in, you will be taken into your wallets page. From here, in order to change your in-app language, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now within the menu page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the language option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see all of the different languages that are available for the application. Just tap on whichever language you wish to change into, and now your changes will be applied right away. You can now go back and start using the application with your chosen currency. If at any point you wish to switch it back once again, go back to the menu icon and then choose the second to last option. This will once again show you all of the available languages from which you can choose your desired one at any point of time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-app language on the NC Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.